fear of failure. I mean, that's a really big question. I think, well, sometimes one of my questions my wife asks me is, all this sort of money you're managing, how do you kind of sleep at night? And I'm always, Charlie Munger talks about how you should always invert a question, and I try to use that type of fear or whatever it might be to my advantage, and I want to sleep well at night, and so I try to use that as an incentive to buy the type of companies that allow me to sleep at night. And if there's an opportunity where I suddenly feel that I'm not sleeping well, then maybe that's a pretty good indicator I shouldn't be owning it. So I think a lot of things you can really I think emotions are very much a natural part of investing. There's this sort of school of thought with the sort of behavioral finance guys that the ideal investor should be objective and rational, and emotions are just going to get you into trouble and do things wrong. And I'm not sure that's the right approach, actually. I think it's unrealistic that you're going to keep emotions out of investing. And like I say, I don't think it's desirable. I think your emotional response to things can be very helpful. If you're not sleeping well at night because of you own a stock, well, maybe that tells you something. If you aren't looking forward to meeting the CEO of a company because you think they're an asshole, that's probably also telling you something. So I much prefer the approach of acknowledging your emotions, accepting them, and trying to turn them to your advantage rather than trying to sort of blend them out.
Thank you.